This is Sarah Preston, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use a pipette bulb. So before starting, you must aspirate your pipette bulb by pressing the A button and squishing all of the air out. Next, you will grab the volumetric pipette, because we will be using the 25 mil today, and carefully attach the open end of the pipette bulb to the open end of the glass pipette. Now, place your pipette in your solution using the S button sucked up the desired volume of liquid. Once it reaches the top of the bulb, you release your grip and slowly implement up so that you ensure the meniscus on the pipette is right at the measurement line. You see here. Once that is then achieved, grab your chem wipe and wipe off the tip of the pipette to ensure that no excess solution is in there, and switch to the eject button on the pipette bulb and dispense liquid once again until you reach near your target volume. And then ensure that there is still some fluid left in the tip when you've completed. You can then remove the pipette bulb from the tip of your glass pipette. The bulb has inflated somewhat from this process, so I'm going to let it re-inflate so I can collapse it again before moving on to my 10 mil graduated pipette. I'm going to similarly attach the bulb to the end and place the pipette into my solution. I'm then going to use the suction button to draw up a full 10 mils of liquid. So here I have ensured that my meniscus is at the 0 mil mark, and that is at an angle. I'm now going to wipe the tip of my pipette with a chem wipe, and I am going to dispense 6 mils. So I'm going to dispense until my meniscus is at the 6 mil gradation. So I am dispensing at a rather fast clip, and then I am slowing down as I approach the 6 mil mark so that I can properly align the meniscus at the 6 mil gradation. Then dispense the remaining fluid back into its original container or into a waste container before removing the pipette bulb. If I was measuring a full 10 mils using a graduated pipette, I would make sure that the meniscus was at the 10 mil mark on the pipette. Now that it is empty, I am done. When using pipettes with solutions, you should also rinse them at least twice with solution beforehand by filling it up all the way, removing the bulb, holding it horizontally, and then letting it eject all of the fluid using gravity. This procedure should be repeated at least twice to ensure that anything inside of your glass pipette is your solution.